Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Now we are going to start with the last sum of this death of a partner, that is sum number 5. The balance sheet of Soham, Rohan and Mohan, who were sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Okay, their balance sheet stood as follows. See, liabilities, bank overdraft is there of 18,000, creditors 85,000, bills payable 40,000, bank loan 1,50,000, general reserve is there of 27,000, capital account Soham 20,000, Rohan 20,000, Mohan 20,000, bank 48, asset side bank 48,000, debtors 30,000, then land and building 40,000, machinery 80,000, investments 40,000, computers 40,000, stock 90,000, patents 12,000. Total of balance sheet is 3,80,000. Now, Mr. Rohan died on 1st October 2019 and the following adjustments were made. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 30,000. Here, a ready-made amount of goodwill is given. Then land and building and machinery were found to be undervalued by 20%. What does this statement means? This means that there is undervaluation of what? Undervaluation of what? Land and building. How much is the value of land and building? 40,000 into 100 upon 80. So how much it will come to? $40,000 into 100 divided by 80. 50,000. Okay. 8 5s are 40. Then machinery. What is the value of machinery? 80,000 into 100 upon 80. So what is the valuation? 80,000 divided by 80 multiplied by 100. So it will come to 90,000. Okay. Then investments are valued at 60,000. Now they have given, see, investment, what is the value of investment? 40,000. Now that is valued at 60,000. That means appreciation by 20,000. Stock to be undervalued. Now it will be written on profit and loss adjustment account debit side. Then a provision at the rate of 10% on debtors are required. And patents are useless, means there is no use of that patent, so that is also to be written off. Now number 6th adjustment is very important. Mr. Rohan was entitled to share in profits up to the date of death, and it was decided that he may be allowed to retain drawings as his share of profits. Rohan's drawings till the date of death was rupees 25,000. Now see what they have said, that up till his death his drawings were 25,000. So 25,000 he had made the drawing. The same amount will be transferred as profit for the current year for Rohan. Okay, so the same amount, so profit and loss suspense account means Rohan's capital account debit to profit and loss suspense account, same as drawings, that only will be his share of profits for the current year, 25,000, that is given. Okay, so now we are going to prepare partners capital account and the I am preparing revaluation account also, or profit and loss adjustment. Now see, working share of profit, allowed to retain his share of drawings as his share of profit. So what will be his profit? Profit will be 25,000, and same drawings also. Okay. Then goodwill is valued at rupees 30,000. So Rohan's share in goodwill is rupees 10,000, because his profit sharing ratio is what? 2/6. 3:2:1. So 2/6 is his share of profits. So 10,000. The Rohan's death is on 1st October. Now valuation of goodwill is given to you as 30,000 ready-made. Now undervaluation of, see, land and building and machinery was found to be undervalued by 20%. What does this statement means? Means it is less than 100% by how much? See, undervalued by 20%, means cost price was 100, so it is valued at 80 rupees only if the cost price is 100. Now see, undervaluation of land and building, 40,000 into 100 divided by 40, 100 divided by 80 is equal to 50,000. See, the cost price or the balance sheet value was 40,000. So now it has come to 50,000. 50,000 minus this 40,000, there is appreciation. Okay, this is appreciation of 10,000. Same way, machinery was valued as per your balance sheet 80,000 into 100 upon 80, because it is valued 20% less. That is why we have taken here 80. This will come to rupees 1 lakh, but the valuation here is 80,000. So there is appreciation by 20,000. Now, see, investments are valued at 60,000. So balance sheet, in the balance sheet they are given as 40,000. So there is appreciation by 20,000. Stock is to be undervalued by 5,000, and provision for 10% on debtors is required. Patents are useless. And Rohan was entitled to share in profits up to the date of death, and it was decided that he may be allowed to retain his drawing as his share of profits. Rohan's drawing till the date of death was 25,000. Here see what they have said, allowed to retain the share of drawings, okay, as his share of profit, as his share of profits, okay, of rupees 25,000, and same drawings also rupees 25,000. Is it clear to you? This adjustment is, first read it twice, thrice, and then take your time and understand it well. Okay. Then revaluation account. See, now we are going to prepare revaluation account. Particulars amount, particulars amount. Land and building 10,000, by machinery 20,000, by investment 20,000. Then on the debit side, stock is to be undervalued by 5,000, that is directly given to you. Debtors provision is to be made at 10%, so 30,000. 30,000 का 10%, 3,000. Patents जो 12,000 के थे, they are no more longer or no more useful, so they are also to be written off. If you total up this side, 50,000 minus this 20,000, Okay, 12 plus 3, 18, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 5, 20. 20,000. So remaining is what? The revaluation profit, 30,000, that is to be shared in their profit sharing ratio. Rohan, 3 share, 2 share and 1 share, that is 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. Now we are going to come to partners capital account. See, particulars Sohan, Rohan and Mohan. Particulars Soham, Rohan and Mohan. By balance brought down, as per the given balance sheet, all the capital account, all the three capital accounts are of 20,000, 20,000 and 20,000. There is a general reserve, okay, of 27,000, that will come to 13,700, 9,000 and 4,500. Okay. Then profit and loss suspense account, here share of profit of rupees 25,000. This we are going to write it over here, the profit and loss suspense account 25,000. Okay, and the same as drawings allowed, same as drawings. So 2 drawings 25,000. Is it clear to you? I hope this is all clear to you. Okay, now then revaluation profit. Here the revaluation profit was 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000. Okay. So we have written it over here. Then by goodwill. Goodwill of Rohan was 10,000. So Soham's 15,000 and Mohan's 5,000. Now first we are going to close the Rohan's account. Okay, first we will total up the credit side of Rohan's account. It will come to 74,000 minus 25,000. Then what will be the balance? Balance will be transferred to Rohan's executor's loan account. What is the balance? 49,000 is the balance. Is it clear? See, credit side total 74,000 minus 25,000, it will be 49,000. Now Mohan's, we will close the Mohan's account. The credit side total comes to 34,500. Then to balance carried down Mohan's account 34,500. Here also we are going to write 34,500. Now Sohan's, we are going to close down the Soham's account also, that is 63,500. There is nothing on the debit side to balance carried down 63,500. We will close this balance 63,500. So here we have completed this chapter on death of a partner. I hope you have understood the chapter well. If you have any doubts, you can write me in the comment box. I will surely answer your doubts.